In the 25 years of us providing landscape services for our clients, we found a real increase or need for people to spend time outside. We get a lot of calls for people who'd like us to improve their outdoor living spaces. And we've been able to provide them with some wonderful patio or sitting areas, perennial gardens with a lot of color and interest.
We enjoy taking small spaces or large spaces and creating an outdoor environment for them. Outdoor environment that they can enjoy for many years to come.
At Outdoor Concepts, we are a full-service design, build, maintenance company. We provide services that include weekly care for your yard, including mowing, edging, and weeding, spring and fall cleanup, shrub and ornamental pruning, mulch, drainage and irrigation, fertilization programs, plantings, patios, walkways, outcropping stone, arbors and structures, outdoor lighting, lawn installation.
Education is an ongoing event here at Outdoor Concepts. We take it very seriously. Every employee has educational dollars that they get to use during the year.
It's always fun to put a face with a voice at the other end of the line. I'm the person that answers the phone at Outdoor Concepts. We'll figure out what you need, schedule an appointment, and send somebody out right away.
We pride ourselves with our customer relationships and customer satisfaction. We try to have a very good rapport with our customers.
They've done a wonderful job maintaining our yard. We're here all year round, but really it's hardcore from April to November. They're reliable. They do a wonderful job. Everything's always neat, tidy. They put things back how they found it. The yard always looks great all summer.